Morning, folks. Kind of a cloudy, gloomy day here in Ormond Beach this morning. Anyway, we're still going to continue working on the LS 4.8. This is the truck manifold that I modified and put a nice aluminum polish cover on top of. And what we're going to do, still have this part exposed, so I'm going to go ahead and paint it and make it look attractive as well as possible. So first thing we're going to do is put some Vaseline in the injector ports so the paint won't stick to it right there. All right, see how this turns out. I don't know. I like Chevy orange, I'm old school. Back in the day when I used to build small block Chevrolets before they had these super LS engines. Uh-oh, we've got some bleed through. I don't like that. All right, so what we did was we put some alcohol on it and shot it off with the air. Let's see how it does on this side. Still bleeding. Well, just have to work with it, figure it out. So the second coat's going on a lot better and filling in the areas that are bleeding. I'm not too worried about the top part because it won't be visible, but I want to get this part below the skirt of the aluminum polished shield. I want to get that pretty nice looking. Do a good job on it, So we don't want any runs. So we're going to stop, let it dry a little bit. Okay, folks. So went out and got some aluminum paint and did a little practice run on this piece of plastic. And looks like aluminum to me. So that's what we're going to use on these rails. So it looked like, aluminum, high quality rails rather than these plastic jobs. All right. So you don't want to be too aggressive. You can always paint a little more. But if you put too much on, it's too late. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. All right, so we got these guys painted. It looks like aluminum to me, and I like that. All right, man, I think that looks tough. What do you think, folks? Got the Chevy orange, polished aluminum. Aluminum colored rails. It's gonna look like a tough engine sticking out of the hood of that car.